In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations are recognizing the limitations of traditional performance appraisals. The annual review, often dreaded by both managers and employees, is being replaced by a more dynamic and empowering approach: coaching. This shift signifies a profound change in how we perceive and nurture employee motivation. Coaching is not merely about evaluating past performance, it is about unlocking future potential. It is about empowering individuals to take ownership of their growth, development, and ultimately, their success. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and development, organizations can create an environment where employees feel valued, supported, and motivated to contribute their best work. Coaching conversations are forward-looking, focusing on growth and development rather than dwelling on past mistakes. They provide a safe space for employees to share their aspirations, identify areas for improvement, and receive guidance and support from their managers. This collaborative approach fosters trust, open communication, and a shared commitment to achieving both individual and organizational goals. Employee motivation, the driving force behind performance and productivity, is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. It is the level of energy, commitment, and creativity that employees bring to their work each day. When employees are motivated, they are more likely to be engaged, productive, and committed to the organization's success. Engagement, on the other hand, refers to the emotional connection employees have with their work and the organization. Engaged employees are passionate about their work, feel a sense of purpose and belonging, and are willing to go above and beyond to contribute to the team's success. To effectively motivate and engage employees, it is essential to understand the underlying factors that drive human behavior. By delving into the science of motivation, we can gain valuable insights into what makes people tick and how to create a work environment that fosters both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the complexities of human motivation. Two prominent frameworks that provide valuable insights into employee motivation are the four-drive theory and Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The four-drive theory, developed by Harvard Business School professors Paul Lawrence and Nitin Noria, identifies four fundamental drives that underlie human behavior: the drive to acquire, the drive to bond, the drive to comprehend, and the drive to defend. These drives are innate and universal, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions both within and outside the workplace. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, a classic theory in psychology, proposes that human needs are arranged in a hierarchical pyramid, with basic physiological needs at the bottom and higher-order needs, such as self-actualization, at the top. According to Maslow, individuals are motivated to fulfill lower-level needs before they can move on to higher-level needs. Section 4. Cultivating intrinsic motivation, the key to sustainable engagement. While extrinsic motivators such as bonuses and promotions can provide a temporary boost in performance, they are not sustainable in the long run. To foster lasting engagement and high performance, organizations need to tap into the power of intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation stems from the inherent satisfaction and enjoyment individuals derive from the work itself. When employees find their work meaningful, challenging, and aligned with their values, they are more likely to be intrinsically motivated. One effective way to enhance intrinsic motivation is to provide employees with autonomy, mastery, and purpose in their work. Autonomy refers to the freedom and flexibility employees have in how they approach their tasks. Mastery involves providing opportunities for employees to develop their skills and expertise. Purpose refers to connecting employees to the larger impact of their work and aligning their individual goals with the organization's mission. Section 5. Practical steps for implementing effective coaching. Implementing a coaching culture requires a shift in mindset and a commitment from both leaders and employees. It is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process of communication, feedback, and support. First, establish clear expectations and goals. The foundation of effective coaching lies in setting clear expectations and goals. Employees need to understand what is expected of them and how their work contributes to the overall success of the team and the organization. Second, provide regular feedback. Regular feedback is crucial for employee growth and development. Feedback should be specific, timely, and actionable, focusing on both strengths and areas for improvement. Third, create a culture of open communication. Open and honest communication is essential for effective coaching. Employees need to feel comfortable sharing their ideas, concerns, and aspirations with their managers. Fourth, empower employees to take ownership. Coaching is most effective when employees are empowered to take ownership of their development. Encourage employees to set their own goals, identify areas for improvement, and seek out opportunities for growth. Section 6. Unleashing Potential. The transformative power of strengths-based coaching. Strengths-based coaching focuses on identifying and leveraging employees' unique talents and strengths. By recognizing and nurturing what employees do best, organizations can create a more engaged, productive, and fulfilling work environment. To implement strengths-based coaching, managers can use a variety of feedback mechanisms, including regular one-on-one meetings. These meetings provide a dedicated time for managers and employees to discuss progress, challenges, and opportunities for growth. Another tool is 360-degree feedback. Gathering feedback from peers, subordinates, and supervisors can provide a more holistic view of an employee's strengths and areas for development. Lastly, self-assessments. Encourage employees to reflect on their own strengths and areas for improvement through self-assessments and journaling. By embracing a coaching culture that emphasizes employee strengths, organizations can unlock the full potential of their workforce and create a more positive and productive work environment. Please subscribe, follow, and comment to stay updated with more insightful content.